Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the update safe and fast. Charge your Vivo Y11 to at least 50% or plug it in, and connect to stable Wi-Fi so the download won't stall. Once done, make a quick backup of photos and contacts. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Now open Settings, go to About Phone or System Update, and tap Check for Updates. This immediately begins the search and shows available official firmware for your device. When an OTA appears, tap Download and let the package fetch fully. Do not interrupt. You keep the phone connected to power and remain on Wi-Fi so the file transfers reliably. After download, the system verifies and unpacks the package. This can take several minutes, then prompts you to install. Accept and the phone will reboot into the updater. The installer applies changes. This is why uninterrupted power and network are important to avoid bricking or partial installs. Once installation completes, your Vivo Y11 reboots and performs app optimization. Let it finish without tapping or force restarting. After the phone is back, verify the new build under Settings About Phone to confirm the update. If something goes wrong, update fails or boots oddly, try clearing the cache partition or repeat the update over a stronger Wi-Fi connection. If problems persist, restore from your backup or contact Vivo support for the official recovery procedure.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.